You know what was
See that guy right over there to your left?
You used to give like $5 for it.
No, see that guy right over there to the left? He's right. No.
I thought Cal would give $5 a chicken.
You have about 2 minutes.
Or what?
Yeah, blame it on whoever you
Right
want.
now, you want to give $5 chicken, you can.
I haven't got $5 to give for the chicken.
Right. 0 to 5 years old, chicken chesters, I'm getting ready.
0 to 6.
0 to 6, sorry. Don't, hey, no.
Don't shoot the messenger.
Too deep. My line's not big enough.
All right. Jared, are you going to get it ready?
I think we are. Chicken's ready. No, there's no coming in. My heavens, people. Every year. Okay, I think we're ready. Are you guys ready? On your marks. Get set, go. Get those chickens. Get it from first. You got it, okay? Go. Get tired.
Jared, see me find out who caught chickens so we find out who they are.
We don't have all of them caught yet, but if you got one, come here. Come to me in the middle. Hey, there's a guy running away with a chicken. His name is Speedy Gonzalez. And the chicken named Wildfire. Hey, there's another chicken. Oh, here we go. Here's a guy. What's your name? Clay, that's a nice chicken. You gonna sell it or keep it? You're gonna keep it? Good idea. Yeah. Don't let your dad talk you out of it. That's a good chicken.
Hey, who wants
What's
to
your
come to
name?
the top?
Mason. Mason, that's a good white chicken. Are you gonna sell it or keep it?
That's not Dixon, is it? That's your little brother.
Look at that. That's a good chicken, right? Sharp and spurs. Okay, get him. Let's go. All right, no. Go get him. Go get him. Sorry. I said the wrong words. You don't say go and there's 1,500 kids waiting to go. You don't say that. We got shoes left in the arena. Somebody ran right out of their shoes. Hey, what's your name, chicken guy? You can't hold it upside down. What's your name? Weston? Good job, buddy. Now, you can't let go to give you 5. The chicken will be gone.
Once again, if you'd like to...
Yeah, those chickens didn't have any chance.